Xiaomi is gearing up to launch the Xiaomi 15 flagship smartphone lineup soon. While the Xiaomi 15 series is set to debut in China on October 23, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra variant is rumored to appear separately next year. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra, which is expected to be released in China, Europe, and India, has now received EEC certification. Xiaomi 15 Ultra to come in variants with a fake leather back, a glass back, and a ceramic back. These phones to come with the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. Tipster Digital Chat Station claims the Xiaomi 15 Ultra will feature a quad-camera setup similar to the Xiaomi 14 Ultra from this year. The new leak suggests that the 15 Ultra will have a telephoto lens with 4.x optical zoom and a 200-megapixel resolution. Most likely, it will be a periscope telephoto camera. Its main camera will use an upgraded version of the Sony LYT900 sensor, and this will bring better low-light performance compared to the Xiaomi 14 Ultras. A recent leak revealed that the device will feature a dual-layer OLED panel with a 2K resolution. It will have an ultrasonic on-screen fingerprint sensor for security, is expected to ship with up to 24 GB of RAM, and run on Android 15 based on HyperOS 2.0 custom skin out of the box. There is a possibility that it may feature a massive 6,200 mAh battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.